There are three reasons for choosing SMS Mayer's press: accuracy assurance, working allowance assurance for material saving, internal quality assurance. That's why we choose SMS Mayer products. SMS Mayer has supplied a new 8100 meganewton open die forging press and an SMX 800 radio forging machine for the Dongbei Special Steel Group's works in Dalian, China. The radio forging machine has a press force of 16 meganewtons per cylinder. The customer's new works was built on a greenfield site. The Dongbei Special Steel Group is a merger of three Chinese forging companies, all of whom were already customers of SMS Mayer. The new 8100 meganewton open die forging press impresses with its enormous press and upsetting force, its high stroke rate, and forging speed. And its versatility and high productivity. An ingot weighing around 30 metric tons and with a temperature of 1250 degrees Celsius is taken from the furnace. It is transported by crane to the forging press. The manipulator takes over the ingot and places it into the press. The forging press is pre-stressed with tie rods, giving it its high rigidity and precision guidance. The operator controls the forging process. On this workpiece, the hood section of the ingot is stretch forged as a gripping neck. The workpiece is then reheated. In the meantime, the press is fitted with an upsetting plate with a hole for the gripping neck. The upper upsetting plate is positioned by the manipulator. The workpiece is positioned again. The ingot is now upset. The upset ingot is then clamped by the manipulator at the gripping neck and stretch forged under program control. The material thus receives its homogeneous, high-quality microstructure through to the core. The ingot is first forged into a square, then into an octagon. The finished forging is transported away. For quick retooling, the forging plant has, among other things, a die slide for 3 dies, a table shifting device, and an upper clamping and turning device for quick tool changing. A polygonal ingot weighing around 70 tons is formed. Here again, forming takes place by stretch forging the gripping neck, then upsetting, and finally stretch forging to form the octagon. The press can be used to forge tool steel, stainless steel, and alloyed structural steel to form intermediates, profiles, bushings, rings, and discs for demanding industrial applications. Press strokes and manipulator movements are harmoniously matched and program controlled in an integrated process. The basis for the high precision is the forward movement of the manipulator, the rotation and lifting of the manipulator tongs, the perfectly controlled synchronization, and the continuous monitoring of the penetration depth. The forge-based technology system from SMS Mayer allows forging schedules to be calculated and optimized. These are saved and can be called up again when required. Every forging process is thus documented and is reproducibly available. ForgeBase ensures continuous optimizations with which the furnace and process times can be shortened. The result, the plant operates with higher energy efficiency than a manually controlled press. Currently, most open die presses in China are water-driven presses. The press from SMS Mayer is an oil-driven press featuring high automation, excellent integrated operation, as well as lower labor intensity. We knew from the beginning that the press has an impressive speed so as to positively influence the internal and external quality of the forgings. That's why we chose an SMS Mayer press. The experience of more than 450 forging presses sold worldwide in 27 countries. Sturdy, durable mechanical parts. Fast and powerful hydraulics form the basis for precise forged products with very good microstructure properties for the construction of power stations, for shipbuilding, the heavy machinery industry, and for the aerospace industry.